In the Centre for Biomedical Sciences at Royal Holloway, we have a range of research scientists in different areas, and that could be in neuroscience and drug discovery, it's gene and cell therapy, and in medical microbiology. Biomedical sciences are really important because we help to understand drugs, how they work, we help to treat diseases, and we help to understand what a healthy life is all about. Our academics teach in their area's speciality, so students really benefit from being able to understand the research we do and see the importance of that research, and that makes it a much more exciting degree for them.
Right from the very start of their education, students at Royal Holloway get hands-on experience learning laboratory techniques for medical microbiology. They start to learn more about the impact of medical microbiology, the causes of infectious diseases. This includes investigating how antibiotic resistance occurs and how we can prevent it. Alternatives to antibiotics are urgently required. Another strategy would of course be to prevent infection in the first place, such as through vaccine development. At Royal Holloway, we have researchers who are working on vaccine development for a particular microorganism called Clostridium difficile infection.
I like research that is focused on delivering outcomes that will help us and our society. For example, in epilepsy research, we have looked to understand how epilepsy treatments work, and from that we've been able to identify a variety of new potential treatments for epilepsy. Students start at a basic level, learning the fundamental aspects of biomedical science. As they progress through their degree into the third year, they get more focused in specific areas of disease. Our students go on then to find jobs in society after their degrees where they use this knowledge and continue to be part of the scientific community.